Hello, this is Ms. Zhang here. Today we're going to talk about some tips for organizing lockers. Currently, if you look at the photos, it shows that it's a big fire hazard with all the things scattered around our locker area. Also, it takes us a long time to get materials that we need. So we're going to look at some strategies to help us create safer and neater lockers. The most important thing to do is to make sure there's nothing left around the locker area. The floor around the locker should be clear of backpacks, instruments, books, pencils, trash, and also the outside of your locker door should have only the number plate on it and nothing else. And to make sure that we're following COVID safety protocols, we shouldn't linger around the locker area after getting our materials. And also make sure your locker door is closed after you get your materials. One strategy to make sure our locker is organized is to create 2 layers. On the bottom layer, you should put your binders and notebooks standing vertically. The spines of your binders and notebooks should be showing so that you can get your books and materials quickly and efficiently. Top layer of your locker, you can hang your book bag, jacket, or gym clothes so that they stay on top of the locker shelf or on top of the vertically standing books and binders. Next week, you're going to get a locker shelf if you don't already have one, and you feel free to use that in your locker. Another strategy is to make sure you tidy up your locker regularly. Throw out extra materials and trash from your lockers, especially things that may go bad. In order to free up space in your locker for your materials, don't bring toys to school, and also don't decorate your lockers excessively. Many of you already put up materials on the doors of your lockers. One important thing to put up is your schedule so that you can stay informed of what class you have next. Another good strategy is to print out your materials list so you remember what exactly to bring for each class and you don't have to run back and forth at the beginning of each class to get materials. But you're going to use the rest of this period to clean up your lockers. Your advisors or homework teachers are going to give you a checklist that you can use. Have fun organizing your lockers.